Hi, so it's another SLR purchase. It's a Fujica, which is a Fuji 35mm film camera. It's an ST605n, which apparently the N denotes that it has metering. It has the film speed inside. So basically, inside the viewfinder, when you're viewing the viewfinder on the left-hand side, there's an indicator of what the speed of shot is set at, as well as the sort of metering which appears on the right hand side. The camera itself is a very sort of quite a basic solid built SLR. It's got an M42 mount, which is the typical screw on screw off affair. I happen to have a Fuji lens, which is nice on the front of this one. And the way it works basically is pretty much standard affair. On top you've got the wind on the left. On the right you can set on the inner dial the ISO, and then you can set the speed of your shot on the outside. You've got your wind on, sort of crank arm as it were. You've got your shot, and here you've got an indicator of what shot you're on in your film, how many shots you've used in the film, which is quite standard. The way this camera works is slightly different in the fact that the metering inside the camera, there's a meter indicator, which is run by two batteries which are inserted behind this little cover here. And when you're taking a shot, when you want to check the metering, you need to decompress on the shutter, press down, so you're effectively changing the aperture on the lens, and then at the same time you'll press on above the self timer switch. There's a circular button here. By pressing and holding that down, the level indicator in the EVF will go up or down, indicating whether your shot is under or overexposed. And obviously you're trying to get it to sort of land on a central line, and that meter information is all when you look through the viewfinder on the right hand side. So loading a film. On the back you've got the traditional sort of little lever which you can pull for winding the film, winding it back in, and if you just pull that up, opens the back, but also rather nicely resets the counter back to start or 0. Basically you can then insert your film, take it on, close it up, and you're ready to go. Just remember to set the ISO, and you're good to go.